Did you know penguins have a built-in antifreeze? These adorable birds have a special protein in their blood that prevents ice crystals from forming, allowing them to swim in freezing Antarctic waters without turning into penguin popsicles. This quirky adaptation is not just cool, but essential for their survival. Imagine diving into icy waters and staying warm. Next time you see a penguin waddling around, remember they're nature's little ice warriors. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts